In this video, I will show you how to add page manager to your Facebook page without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook page. Open up your Facebook app. Then go ahead and click on your page profile icon. Then go ahead and click on this three slider. Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on settings. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to page setup right here. So click on that. Then go ahead and simply click on page access. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on people with the tax access. Go ahead and click on add new. Then go ahead and click on next. Enter the Facebook name of the person you want to add as your manager. However, you must have added the person into your Facebook account. So search for their name, then go ahead and select their name right here. Just like so. Now you have different tax row right here. Inside, see how the page, content, and ad are performed. Then create, manage, and delete ads for the page. That's the second row. Third row right here. Create, manage, delete posts, stories, and more as the page. That is for content. Third option. Community activity. Review and response to comment, remove unwanted comment, and report activity. That is for manage and calls, respond to direct messages, and make call as the page. That is the fifth assignment right here. However, you can decide to assign a particular role to any of the manager you want to add on your Facebook page. Like for instance, if you want to hire someone to work on your insight, like see how the page, content, and ads perform, turn on this button right here. Boom. You can assign as many as possible tags to a particular manager. So this manager here, we can assign a community activity to this manager. Turn on this community tab right here. Boom, you are done. So you can assign all, as the case may be, you can assign some few tasks. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on give access. Go ahead and enter your profile to continue. Having entered your profile, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on confirm right here. Once you click on confirm, invitation will be sent to them and they become your page manager based on the tags and the role you assign for them. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.